I'm always looking for low-effort ways to spruce up my home. And over again, I keep whipping out HART's 20V half-inch dual driver because it's the jack of all trades. I've always wanted planter boxes here, but never thought about making my own until now. The boards are cut and it's time to put it together. I'm drilling pilot holes to stop the wood from splitting when I add screws. Of course, I could drive them in with the drill, but switching my impact driver is faster than switching bits. Work smarter, not harder. Adding a few drainage holes is super easy because it has so much torque. It can drill 250 holes per charge. That's more than enough for a few more projects. Let's up the speed. These all pulls need to go and go quickly. Gonna go the opposite way now, and I'll decrease the torque so I don't dig into the wood. So cute. The great thing about HART's 20V line is that you can use the same battery in all their 20V products. My trusted drill gets it all done. Go get yours.